Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to transfer your data from one iPhone to another iPhone that you have just bought. And it's a very easy and quick process, and I will guide you in this video how you can do that. But before doing that, please consider a few things that are very important, and without that your process might slow down or something might end up stopping the process. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that your cell phones are charged, the Wi-Fi on the old iPhone is opened, and the Bluetooth is opened. So when they are done, what you have to do is just don't think about anything and move on. And you can see on this screen that I'm holding two iPhones. The one that is on the left side, which has a charger in it, is the new iPhone, and the one on the right side is my old iPhone. So what happens, what you have to do is before doing, if you're seeing something opened up on the screen, how this happened, what you have to do, the old iPhone that you want to transfer your data from, you should close it, just click the side button and switch off the screen and open the new one. When you open the new one, it shows a hello option, and when it shows hello option, what you have to do is just open up the new screen, and a new pop-up will appear on your old iPhone. It will say set up new iPhone. So when it says set up new iPhone, it will automatically, you can see there will be a camera opened up or a scanner, and on the left side on the new iPhone there will be a kind of a round QR code. So what you have to do is go there and scan it. And once you scan it, it will show multiple options. You just have to follow my video how you can do that. It will take few seconds to verify itself, and you can say continue on your iPhone. You can see there's an iCloud ID, and you have to put the password that is on your old iPhone. Just put it, and once you put it, it will go into a little bit of a process. You have to wait for that, and you can see multiple options are appearing. You don't have to do anything new. You just have to follow my video, and if you follow it really to the point, your iPhone, it will be updated perfectly. And I have recorded this in a shop where I bought my new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that's why I'm showing it up on recording it. Once it appears, click on continue, and once you click on continue your cellular data, it will ask you more detail. You can go for not now, and once you click on or continue, you can do that. If it does not click on not now, you can click for that option. We wait for a few seconds, and then what you have to do is this will appear. Click on OK and click on not now. If not now doesn't click, you can click on continue, but make sure you click on not now, because we don't want to do a Siri and other options installing in at this moment. Once this process is done, you will see this option, the new loading option on your both iPhones. You can see they both are syncing together. Once the synchronization has ended, it will show this one, privacy option. You're gonna click on continue. And as you click on continue, it will, again, reload, and click on not now for this Face ID. You can either continue the transfer of data, yes. And here it will load again and again, and it will take some time for this. And another option will appear now after, loading itself. You can see the iPhone is, my name appeared, Abdul Samad, because the data is transferring. It's finished on new iPhone. So terms and conditions, we agree with them. And once we've done that, it will load up. It will take some time for you, so don't worry about it. I have just fastened the video. Once it has done loading up, it will see this one, make this new iPhone your iPhone. So continue. And if you continue that, you can see multiple options, make this iPhone, and we will wait for few seconds. It will, as it appears on this one. Usually transfer takes time, and click on pay in not now, because we don't want to add Apple Pay ID. If you want to add it, you can go for continue, not now, or continue for Siri if you want. Agree, emergency, continue, and the data transfer will start. So it took a lot of time for the data to, 1 hour to, I had a lot of data. It took 1 hour, so I cut the video and went further. So once the data is almost about to complete, You can see how this will appear on your screen, and you have to just put the new passcode on your new iPhone and click on not now on the old one if you don't want to erase the data, and continue in the next one. We don't want Face ID, we're gonna cancel it, and we're gonna not now, and you will see in a second that the whole data has transferred. We can check the details on the other phone. We can click on not now for the pay. It usually takes time for this one. So this is a very quick tutorial on how you can transfer the data. We can click on silent mode. The new iPhone is here with you, and your whole data has been transferred. And this is a very easy and quick process, and if you don't know, have to worry about it. And if you, my all apps are appeared, my all pics are here, everything is here, my ID Abdul Samad is here, so you can see the data has transferred smoothly. If you find this video really helpful, and you think this video will help you other guys, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with other people if you like, because this will help me grow more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.